This question is so beautifully designed that it might just make you fall in love with math again. We're told that 2 men can paint a wall in 6 days, and we're asked, how many days will it take 3 men? Now, most people, and I mean most, will quickly guess or jump into random calculations. And that's not terrible, but this is where a true math genius stands out. They pause, observe, and spot the hidden pattern that makes everything simpler. Let's step back and think. If 2 men need 6 days, what's really happening here? The total amount of work needed to finish the wall is the same no matter how many men are working. And this is where the rule of inverse proportion comes in. The product of the 2 inversely proportional quantities is always constant. So we write men times days equals constant, work done. For the first situation, 2 men times 6 days equals 12, work done. Now for the second situation, with 3 men working for D days, the total work stays the same. 2 times 6 equals 3 times D. And solving for D, 12 equals 3D. D equals 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And there it is. It will take 4 days for 3 men to paint the wall. See how elegant that is. The problem might look simple, but the deeper idea is powerful. Once you understand the inverse relationship, that more workers means less time and their product stays constant, problems like this become effortless. So next time, don't rush. Pause. Look for the hidden pattern and solve it like a pro. And if you loved this little math secret, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.